Have you ever heard a deer bark like a dog? It may sound unbelievable, almost like something from a myth, but deep inside the dense forest of Asia lives a unique and mysterious animal known as barking deer. This fascinating creature may look small and harmless, but it hides some truly surprising behaviors that make it one of the most unusual animals in the wild. The barking deer gets its name from the loud, sharp, dog like sound it produces. This bark is not random, it is actually a powerful alarm call. Whenever the deer senses danger, such as the presence of predators like leopards or tigers, it begins to bark repeatedly. This warning call can continue for several minutes, alerting not only other deer but also many animals surrounding the forest. In this way, the barking deer plays an important role in ecosystem as an early warning system. Unlike many other deer species that depend mainly on silence, speed, and camouflage to survive, the barking deer uses its voice as a key survival strategy. This makes it quite unique among deer. Its bark is loud enough to echo through the forest, creating a sense of urgency and danger for any animal that hear it. Barking deer are widely distributed across South and Southeast Asia, including Pakistan, India, Nepal, China, and Indonesia. They thrive in dense forest, thick undergrowth, and areas close to water sources. These habitats provide them with both food and protection. Their reddish brown coat acts as a natural camouflage, helping them blend seamlessly into the forest floor covered with dry leaves and shadows. One of the most interesting features of barking deer is its size. It is among the smallest deer species in the world, standing only about 50 to 70 centimeters tall at the shoulder. But despite its small size, it is extremely alert, fast, and territorial. When threatened, it does not always run away immediately. In some cases, it may stand its ground and defend herself. Another remarkable characteristic is seen in male barking deer. Instead of having large branching antlers like most deer, males have short antlers and long, sharp canine teeth that look like small tusks. These tusks are used during the fight with other male, especially during the mating season or territorial dispute. These battles can be intense, showing that even a small deer can be quite fierce. Female barking deer, however, do not have these tusks. They are generally more focused on nurturing and protecting their youngs. Like many forest animals, they rely on hiding and silence to keep their offspring safe. Barking deer are mostly solitary animals. Unlike species such as spotted deer or red deer that live in large herds, these deer prefer to live alone or sometimes in pairs. This solitary lifestyle helps them remain hidden from predators. They are also very shy and elusive, which makes them difficult for humans to observe in the wild. They are most active during the early morning and late evening hours. Animals like this, during the heat of the day, barking deer usually rest in dense vegetation, conserving energy and avoiding predators. When it comes to the diet, barking deers are mainly herbivores. They feed on leaves, fruits, grasses, and tender shoots. However, what makes them even more interesting is their opportunistic feeding behavior. In rare situations, they have been observed eating insects, birds' eggs, and even small animals. This makes them slightly omnivorous, which is quite unusual for deer. Their digestive system allows them to adapt to the different types of food depending on availability. This flexibility helps them survive in changing environment, especially in the forest where food sources may vary through the year. Reproduction in barking deer is also quite unique. Unlike many animals that have specific breeding season, barking deer can reproduce throughout the year. This gives them an advantage in maintaining their population. After a gestation period of about 6 to 7 months, the female gives birth to a single baby. The newborn baby is very small and vulnerable. To protect it, mother hides the baby in thick vegetation where it remains still and quiet. Despite their adaptability and survival skills, barking deer face serious threats in the wild. That is why conservation efforts are extremely important. Protecting forests, creating wildlife reserves, spreading awareness can help ensure survival of the barking deer. Many conservation organizations are working to preserve biodiversity and protect species like barking deer. The barking deer may be small and rarely seen, but its role in the ecosystem is significant. As both a prey species and an early warning system, it contributes to the balance of the forest life. Its unique behavior reminds us of how diverse and surprising nature can be. So next time you hear a strange barking sound in the forest, do not be too quick to think it is a dog. It might just be a barking deer, standing alert, watching the shadows, and warning the jungle of danger. Thank you very much for watching the video, and do not forget to like and subscribe our channel Zoology.